Most new catfish farmers believe that the more you stock, the more money you will be making. On paper, this sounds perfect, right? Because the more fish you have in your pond, it means the more harvest for you and the more profit for you. In reality, this idea has cost a lot of farmers in millions. I have seen a farm where the farmer stocked about 5,000 fish in a pond that is supposed to contain about 2,000 fish. And at the end of that farming cycle, you see the farmer harvesting less than half of the initial stocking quantity, which was 5,000. This eventually has cost them loss, and definitely you can't make profit with this business. In this particular video, I will show you why overstocking is a very bad farming practice and the exact formula you need to calculate your stocking density, that is what your pond can carry, be it in earthen pond or in tarpaulin pond or a concrete pond, whichever pond you're using. I'll show you the exact formula you're supposed to use to know your pond's carrying capacity and what you can do to improve your farming practice. So what exactly is overstocking and why do farmers fall for it?
Please enlighten me more, sir.
Overstocking basically is when you put more fish in your pond more than the water, the oxygen level and the space of that particular pond can carry. So why do farmers fall for this?
I don't know.
Number one reason is profit illusion. Many farmers think the more you stock in your pond, the more profit you should be making. So in a pond where they are supposed to stock about 2,000 fish, you see them stocking 5,000. That exactly is overstocking. Number two is peer pressure. So there are farmers that, especially newcomers, that you see them stocking about 5,000 because they heard someone stocked 5,000. And they actually don't know how it went for that person, either he was profitable or not. But they are stocking 5,000 because they heard it somewhere. And the third reason is ignorance. So many farmers don't actually know, especially newcomers as well. They don't know their safe stocking formula. So there's a formula you're supposed to use to calculate your stocking density. That is the quantity which your pond is supposed to carry. Many farmers do not know that and they fall for this overstocking problem. If the case of ignorance is your problem, don't worry, you're safe, because in this video I'm going to be explaining to you the right formula you can use to calculate your stocking density and to make sure that you're not overstocking. Now that you know what overstocking is, let's quickly run through the dangers of you overstocking your pond. Number one is oxygen shortage. Now when you have more than enough fish in your pond, it means they are consuming oxygen more frequent than it's being replenished. So in that way, you have oxygen shortage in your pond and it's going to affect your fish negatively. Number two is faster waste buildup. Now because there are too many in your pond, their poop actually gets to pollute the water easily, which will increase ammonia buildup and also the nitrite buildup, which happens from ammonia spike. So there's going to be like faster waste buildup, and this is not good. And I'll be explaining why it is not good, because it affects your fish negatively and that reduces the oxygen level as well. And the next danger is actually stunted growth. And the reason for that is this: because there are too many in just one small space, they are going to be competing for feed, which is the feed you're giving to them. They will be competing for the space, which is the little space available for them, and they will as well compete for oxygen, that is the little one that is being replenished. So this is going to result to your fish having stunted growth, because they are definitely going to be growing slower than they are supposed to. The next one is disease outbreak. Because there are too many, they will easily be stressed, their water will easily be polluted, and stress with dirty water is actually a perfect environment for infection. So there's going to be disease outbreak in your fish pond. And the last one is sudden death. So at night, if there are algae in your pond, they do what we call reverse photosynthesis. So instead of them releasing oxygen, the algae in your pond will take the oxygen. And if you have a situation where you overstock your pond and the oxygen intake by the algae is much, you can lose all your fish overnight before the next morning. So next, I'll be showing you how to calculate safe stocking density, and I'll be using one of my pond here to do that for you practically. So follow me, let me show you. So practically, I'll be using this particular pond here. This particular pond is sized 15 by 10 feet, right? 15 by 10, 4 feet high. So I'll be showing you, there are many formulas, there are several formulas, and I'll give you the one that's working for me that you can use to make sure your stocking is safe. So I'll be measuring it for you. Please draw it that way. So you can see this size of the pond is actually 10 feet. This is 10 feet, this size of the pond. Then let's take the other side. While this side is 15 feet, right? This side is 15 feet. So if you want to calculate, okay, I need to show you the feet. Oh, leave it. And the feet, the height is 4 feet. The height is 4 feet. Yeah. So going by that formula, if I want to calculate the safe stocking density for this particular pond, let's do it together, right? Please, thank you, my phone. That would be 15, which is the length, multiplied by the breadth. The breadth is 10. That is what? 150. Multiplied by the height. The height is 4. So that is 600, right? Then multiplied by 5. That is 3000. Divide by 3. By the formula I gave you. That is 1000. So the safe stocking density for this particular pond is 1000. If you're stocking above 1000, let's say you want to put 1 on 1 or 1 2, you need to be very intentional about your water management. Or you can introduce what we call aeration. It's a way of you replenishing the oxygen in your pond. But for you to be safe, just stock the exact quantity that this formula is giving you, and you'll see your fish doing better without having stunted growth, without sudden death, without low oxygen. No competition for them. They'll be freely and you make more profit. Should in case you have overstocked your pond, you don't have to panic, right? There is a solution for you. If, let's say, due to ignorance you already did overstocking, there's actually a solution for you. You don't need to panic. So I'll give you tips what you can do to improve your situations, right? You can improve aeration. So aeration is actually a way of you introducing oxygen into your pond. There is this aerator that has stone. You can go to any store that sells materials for fishing and they sells an aerator that has stones, right? You can have it in your pond and they'll tell you how to use it to try and introduce air to your pond. Or you can frequently improve water management by changing your water more frequently. Don't do it in a way that it will stress your fish. If you have enough water, you can do what we call flow through by owning the inlet for them and at the same time owning the outlets for your ponds. So in that way, fresh water is coming in and the bad water is going out. So if you do this, you can actually improve the oxygen level of your pond. And if you can as well do what we call aeration, that would help to introduce more oxygen to your pond. Overstocking might look like fast track to more profit. It's actually a fast track, a shortcut to more losses. Healthy fish grow faster, eat better, and sell for more. Follow the safe stocking density formula, keep your water clean, and watch your profit rises without taking unnecessary risk. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button, subscribe, and turn on the notification button. And if in case you have any question, please drop it in the comment section as we'll be attending to your questions. Thank you. Remain profitable.